Hey, good morning, intermediate algebra students. First of all, I do not like the size of the screen, so I'm going to adjust that. Oh, no, I'm not. I actually think I do like it. I'm just not centered is all. There we go. Okay, so now that we're centered. Rate conversion, which is your first con here. Some of them are fairly simple, like this one. So this one, you just have to kind of watch. Basically, you're watching each and every time the label that's on here. So we want meters per minute, and they kind of say that right here that we want meters per minute. But you're going to notice in the original up here, they give you minutes per meter. So what we just simply need to do to get meters per minute is we need to flip that. We need to put the 500 meters on top, the 2 minutes on the bottom, and then simplify. Now what is 500 divided by 2? It's 250. So quite simply, this one's 250. So that's an easy one. Most of them are a little bit more complicated than this one. So let's move on to this one. In 2016, city of Rio de Janeiro, population of 5,370 people per square kilometer. So you'll notice on the denominator here is a square kilometer. We want to know how many people that is per square meter. Okay, so the number on the bottom is going to change. Well, first of all, you need to know that 1,000 meters makes up 1 kilometer. And if we wanted a square kilometer, we simply have to take 1 times 1, which is 1. But if we want a square meter, we have to take 1,000 times 1,000, which is 1 million. So 1 million square meters equals 1 square kilometer, just so you understand that. Then we know that there's 5,377 people in a square kilometer. So that means there's 537 people per 1 million square meters. So we simply need to divide that out. Take the 5,377 divided by the 1 million equals 0.00537 people per square meter. And if you think about it, a square meter is like basically 1 yard by 1 yard wide. So very small area. So our answer is 0.00537 people per square meter. Okay, one more to do here. Okay, Ria's applying mulch to her garden. She applies at a rate of 250,000 square centimeters. Now, if you remember, centimeters are pretty small. They're a little less than half of an inch long. And she applies that much square centimeters for every square meter of garden space. So they're asking at what rate is she applying it in square meters. So a square meter is much bigger. So if we take a look at that, we know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And so if we need cubic, I'm sorry, I said squared earlier, I apologize. These are cubic. If we want cubic, we need to take this 100 times itself 3 times. So 100 times 100 times 100, I believe, equals 1 million. And 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. So we have 1 million cubic centimeters in 1 cubic meter. Okay, which means even though this might be a lot of centimeters, you'll notice that 250,000 is less than a million. So it's less than 1 full meter here. And we can figure that out by simply taking 250,000 divided by the 1 million. And we get that to come out to be 0.25. So that means that we have 0.25 or 1/4 of a square of a cubic meter that she's applying that at. So the rate here is 0.25. Hey, if you need me to check your answers, come see me during class, during office hours. I'm happy to help. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.